Now we are going to see the topic resonance tunneling diode or TD. It is a diode with a resonance tunneling structure in which electrons can tunnel through some resonance state at a certain energy levels. A RTD is a device that has the two tunneling junctions and it is useful from a tunnel diode. It has achieved the maximum frequency than that conventional metal oxide semiconductor, that is CMOS transistor. The frequency of RTD is 2.2 terahertz. CMOS transistor frequency is 215 gigahertz. Structure of RTD. See, in this structure also like a heterojunction layers. Here gallium arsenide should be sandwiched by two gallium arsenide layer and two aluminium gallium arsenide layer. The bottom of the gallium arsenide layer used as a substrate and also act as the contact, and in the meanwhile the middle portion of aluminium gallium arsenide layer should be act as a barrier, and top of the gallium arsenide layer would be act as a contact. See, the two gallium arsenide layers are added in between the contacts and barriers. Already I told you in the above diagram, the same structure is given here. The spacer region gallium arsenide is used to prevent the scattering of electrons from the impurities in the contact regions. This is the energy level diagram of RTD. Without any voltage is applied, the electron energy level in the well is higher than the Fermi energy level of both sides, so that there is no electron conduction band can tunnel to the well. That means there is no current. If voltage is applied, that is bias voltage is applied, the energy level on that left should be increases, that is higher. Now some of the electrons is in the left can tunnel to the well. After that they can continue to the tunnel out to the right. The current from the left to right is increases due to tunneling. Now if that continues to increase the current or voltage, bias voltage, the energy level on the left is continues to increase. The electrons in well region can tunnel out to the right side by inelastic tunneling, so that no electrons can tunnel from left to well region now. This is characteristics of resonance tunneling diode diagram, that is voltage and current or current and voltage diagram. See, the x-axis given as voltage and y-axis given as current. When the voltage is increases, the current is also increases, that is the region A. After that, when the voltage is increases, the current is decreases. Voltage is increases, current is decreases, so that this is negative differential resistor region. After that again the voltage is increases, the current is drastically increases, that is the valley region. That point is valley point. Advantages of RTD is it is works at room temperature and it consumes the power should be low and it exhibit the flexible design, and size of the device is very small. It's nearly 12 to 25 nanometer and exhibit extremely high switching speeds. Speed is high and it exhibits that negative differential resistor. Characteristics. Applications. It is used to perform that logical operations. Logical operations means we know that is or and not like that, right? For example, XOR circuits using in RTDs, and it is used in high frequency amplifier and photo detector circuits, and it is used as the bistable switch. Bistable in the sense two. Bi means two stable switch, and it is used as negative resistance oscillator because of it is having negative resistance, and it is used in monostable bistable transition logic elements, that is mobile circuits are used in ultra high speed analog to the digital converters. The speed should be 80 GB per second, gigabyte per seconds, and it is used in spintronic devices using the principle of spin polarized tunneling. Here, using the elements is most probably third and fourth group of periodical table elements, and it is used in optoelectronic integrated circuits, that is ICs.